Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Hopefully, you all are doing very well with your social media and daily life, and everything would be going fine around you. As you know, we have already made many videos for you, many tech videos, and many tech channels for you to make your life easy and to enhance your skills while using your social media or your phone. So whenever it comes to different software applications, we have made many different videos, and now we are working on the settings of iPhone to help you to understand these, because they are very much different from the Android one. And Android is almost very easy, not such easy, but it is easy than iPhone settings. So they are rare, so they are complicated to be used, and we have started a trial to make different setting videos to have easy approach to those settings, and so you can make those settings to your phone, and your use could be very easy. So hopefully you have watched all our previous videos, and after that you are going to watch this video with very focus, because if you are going to skip even one step, then you are going to skip the procedure and you will not learn the setting as we are going to tell you. So let's see which setting we are going to learn today. It is about the security passwords or passcodes, fingerprints, thumbprints added to your iPhone for its security. So first of all, we have to go in settings, which are the basic settings of the iPhone. So secondly, you have to go below, and there's an option in the third number list, very first option, that is general. So I have clicked on the general. Now we are on the general, and let's see here that if there would be any settings privacy. But as you know, there are software updates, so that is very necessary to update your phone before making other settings, because upgraded phone always captures your settings more easily, more precisely. So my phone is updated recently, so I am not going to update it just right now. To make passcode settings, you have to go here, like there is an option below, that is touch ID and passcode, very first option on the screen. So as you can see that there is passcode entrance, and it is asking me for my phone's passcode. I am dialing it, and you can see then it is assessing me to my passcode settings. You can see how much it is secure, that no one can change your passcode settings and can use your phone without your permission. So first option is iPhone unlock, iTunes and App Store, wallet and Apple Play. Last one is password autofill. There is a heading like use touch ID for. I have unallowed it all because I am using my touch ID only for making it awake, like no entrance of passcode. You can just dial your thumbprint or your fingerprint here. So I have deleted my fingerprint to tell you that how to add a new fingerprint here. Below there is an option turn passcode off, change passcode, many options. We will tell you that how to learn them. First of all, we are going to tell you that how to add a fingerprint. It is very simple process. Now it is giving us an option touch ID, use your fingerprint in place of your passcode, or Apple ID password for purchases. So ignoring it, we are going to add our thumbprint here. Like you have what to do, it won't be added in a single touch, but you have to touch on the fingerprint sensor with different areas of your thumb or your finger. You are going to add its fingerprint. So hopefully it would be completed soon, like it is almost. And now we are going to add it. You can see our passcode is almost done, and we have added a fingerprint here. That was a very easy method to add fingerprint. And now below there is an option turn passcode off. For this you have to add your previous passcode, and downloading is going on. It means whenever it would be completed, your passcode won't be here. Turn on passcode, and it is asking for us to create a passcode that would be 6 digit. So create a passcode, and if you want to change it, then just change it, and if you don't want to change it, then click on the use anyway. Redial your password and just say that downloading is going on, it is done. If you want to change passcode without turning it on and off, then you can see now you can add your new passcode, like I am changing it 558855. Use anyway. Again dial it 558855, and you can see now 3377 and 33 is not my passcode, but 5588 and 55 is. So you can see how much it is easy to dial your passcodes or your fingerprints here. Hopefully you are going to use these settings and giving us reviews that whether you have used which settings and which settings you need to make it to your phone, and we are going to make videos on them.